now, sir, coming to the subject of our, that is hair restoration. So I have been watching your Insta posts, I have seen your website, I'm seeing your Facebook. What I'm seeing is you are not a simple doctor. So I would say you are a hair artist. I just
Thank
before
you.
the interview, I started seeing your things. So I've seen the way you do for transgenders, the way you do for females, the way you do for grade 6, grade 7. So uh, there, I used to think like, I am very much passionate about artistry, but when I saw your work for last, like, I think 4 or 5 months, I have been watching your results. So and of course the approach, the way they have been designed and planned, and the architectural thing, it was more like the artistic bent was more than of course you have mastered the science of illustration, but the artistry was very, very evident. And for that reason, in the world now, all of the world, people are considering you arguably, top, the best doctor, maybe, if not number one, I would say I should keep you within top 3 in the world. I don't see anybody who is doing as great work as you are doing now. But to me, you are an inspiration when it comes to the artistry of the work. There are a lot of things that I am going to ask you. Can you just tell me, sir, how you got interested into the artistry, and why artistry? Why a lot of people have stuck up only to the science part, but you are the artist.
Thank you, Pradeep. I'm sure you also do very good job. So what you do is unique, and I know why you choose the name as well. Going back to the artistry part, you can learn the landmarks. You can do a technically perfect job. But what is important for me is when the patient tell me that even the hairdresser didn't notice that he had a hair transplant.
Great.
Why? I spend countless time observing natural hairline. When I am in the airplane where I'm stuck for 8 hours going somewhere where I don't have any other thing to do than just opening my eyes and observing people passing, I like to board the plane the first so I can just look at people, all ethnic groups, just looking temple recession, hairline, hair direction is almost an obsession. Just hair directions and just learning every day. Sometime I remember I was coming from Washington a week ago, and I was looking at the gentleman. I said, oh, so I can direct also my hairline this way. So he's still going to look natural. So those are just things that by observing, not having a fit-all type of hairline design that you see with most practitioners, that's why I came up with all the conception and the theory of hairline should match bone structures or facial features more than just having a landmark, doing flatter hairline or bell curve type. So I take a lot of consideration on bone structures. People who have heart shape or pear shape hairline will be different than someone who have triangular or rectangular type of hairline and all that. So, or for bone structures or face shape. Right. So it's mainly the face shape and just spending countless time observing what God has created. I always tell my patient that there is no perfect symmetry. I hate doing a perfectly symmetric hairline, and sometimes I had to tell the patient that I, on purpose, did that asymmetry because if you look in nature, there is no perfect symmetry.
True.
When it's perfectly symmetrical, it may look okay, but you look manufactured. You look like a wig, and it's right. Not going to be perfect. So I usually keep on telling them, trust me, one of my best work are When I design the hairline, I put the pencil. When I take the picture, I can see that it's a little bit crooked.
Okay.
But when the results come, it doesn't look crooked. It look perfect.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and for more great content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also go to www.bhrclinic.com and start your journey for a free assessment with Dr. Bisanga. Thanks ever so much. Let's get started together and look forward to seeing you soon.